for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Yeah, this is it.
Happy birthday, Claudine Andrea. Sana lagi kang maging mabait na bata at mag-aral ka maigi. Wala mo nang boyfriend. Wish you all the best. I love you.
Change is coming. There's a light out from the sun. A new time, a new day, a new world is coming. And I can see the dawn has just begun.
Happy birthday, Claudine! Stay who you are. Sana magbago ka na.
Happy birthday, ate. Stay healthy. And, ayun, I love you.
We're making the world a better place. One person at a time. Making the world a better place. One day at a time. And it starts right now. Change the world. Change the world.
Hi, Claudine! Happy birthday! Legal ka na. Finally, naalala ko pa nung nagkukulitan pa tayo sa band club. I'm so proud of the woman you have become. So, happy birthday ulit, and I wish you
Change is blowing like the wind through the trees. The wheels are spinning and life is in motion. And I can see a light shine through the leaves. And
Happy birthday, Claudine. So ngayon, 18 years old ka na. Alam kong maraming pagsubok pa yung darating sa buhay mo. So sana kayanin mo. And ayun lang, good luck. Love you. Happy birthday ulit.
we're making the world a better place. One person at a time. Making the world a better place. One day at a time. And it starts right now. It starts right now. It starts right now.
To our lovely Claudine Andrea for her amazing adult journey and making sure she will, flourish and be amazing woman, today and forever. To you, darling Claudine, cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
We're making the world a better place. One person at a
Sana
time.
atupagin niya maigi yung kanyang pag-aaral kasi yun yung future mo, anak. Kung ano man yung sasabay sa studies mo, i-balance mo.
Stars right now. Change the world. Change the world.